Riding Bikes NYC.
Always so impatient. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Alright, kids. Welcome to another vlog.
Riding Bikes NYC.
Me and I we just had a nice burger. Actually, a wonderful burger. It was really freaking good. I got tater tots. He got truffle fries. And we're going to be heading back to the dirtiest of the billies at this juncture. I do really like this area. I like it a lot, actually. There we go. All right. This area is Red Hook, Brooklyn. Red Hook. Used to be where Union Garage was. I used to come here all the time. All the time. How many times? All the time. Most of my motorcycling gear that I still actually, most of it that I own was purchased at Union Garage. The jacket I'm wearing, the gloves, I'm sorry, not the gloves, the boots I'm actually wearing were purchased at Union Garage almost 5 years ago now. Look at these things. Look at these boots. I've had them for 5 years. My boots, I've had them for 5 years. I don't think he can hear me. Alright. Man, alright. It got cold. It got cold. I mean, it's not bad. It's probably like 48 or something like that. I don't know. But it was in the 50s earlier, and you know, 50s. It's great riding weather, but I don't know. It's a little chilly, and the clouds rolled in, kind of ruined our wonderful day. Am I recording? Am I even recording? Yes. Okay. Good. There's nothing worse than starting a video and not even... and then not even recording. Okay, here we go. We're on our ways. So, here's Union. Used to turn right down there, and Union Garage was right down the street. Now it's... I don't even know what's in the old space. I wish Union Garage would come back. We miss you, Union Garage. Alright, head through this light. Do a little bit of filtering, just a wee bit. Ooh. We can slowly maneuver up along the side. Well, this is going to make for a really good vlog. Anyways, the burger was absolutely delicious, and we've come to Coney Island. Saw the Verrazano Bridge. Had a little wee adventure, and it's been a good day. Oh, we're gonna go that way, okay? We were debating whether or not to actually jump on the highway here or not. We can be a little bit aggressive here, getting in here. Go for it, Ian. There you go. Get up and out of here. Okay, alright. It is freaking windy. Wow. Alright. Yeah, welcome to New York, everyone. This is what we deal with on a freaking daily basis. This, ladies and gents, is a highway, and it is like this every day at all times. What's that? All right. Huh, look at that. There's New York City. See the Freedom Tower. And there's the Brooklyn Bridge, looking gorgeous. My favorite bridge. I've told the story many times where when I was a kid, Dad and I would watch late night television together, the Letterman show, and they always had a shot of that, and I always thought it was so iconic, just beautiful. See, and then look at this. You hit this certain point and the traffic just kind of disappears. It's like everyone stops losing their mind eventually, and they're just like, oh, okay, I guess we can just like speed up and go the actual speed limit. We don't have to freak out all the time. You don't have to freak out, man. It is quite windy, my goodness. Look at all the traffic over here too. Damn. Alright. Mission to Dirty Billy. Let's get going. This is actually going to be a nice vlog. This is going to be a good vlog. This is fun. I like going faster. Oh man. Very good. I just hate it not moving, you know? I hate not moving. Not moving is the worst. Alright, there we go. Numbskull. How dare he? Okay, well, I guess sometimes it's a little more than it ever needs to be. Well, alright kids, Yoni and I are gonna go park. It has been a nice day. It has been quite nice. I think we're gonna relax. We're gonna watch the Moto GP, hang out with some friends, maybe have a beer or two, and call it a day. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next vlog.